In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Godaddy step by step. First, open your browser and head to the Godaddy homepage. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner. You'll see your account area. Click your email address to open the account menu. From that drop-down, choose My Products. This takes you to your main dashboard where all of your domains, websites, and business tools live. On the Products page, find the website or business you want to work on. Select that project to bring up its controls, and then click Edit Website. This launches the Godaddy website builder so you can make visual changes to your site. Inside the editor, decide where you want the image to appear. Move your mouse over the page area to reveal the controls. Godaddy organizes content into sections, so you'll be adding your image inside a new section. When you see the option, click Add Section. A panel opens with a variety of section types you can add to the page. Scroll through the list until you reach Image Gallery. Click Image Gallery to view the available layouts. Next, choose Photo Gallery. This inserts a gallery section onto your page with placeholders ready for your images, which is perfect if you plan to show multiple photos or simply want a clean image-focused block. In the New Gallery section, click on an image placeholder to select it. The media picker will appear, showing images available to you. Select the image you want to use and click it to confirm your choice. Godaddy will place that image directly into the section. At this point, your image is added to the page exactly where you placed the gallery. Take a moment to make sure it looks good within the design. If you're using multiple images, consistent sizes and orientations usually create a cleaner look. For best results on the web, aim for clear, high-quality images that are optimized so they load quickly without losing sharpness. And that's the process from start to finish. Open Godaddy, go to My Products, choose your site, click Edit Website, hover over the page area, add a section, select Image Gallery, choose Photo Gallery, pick your image, and it appears in the section. Follow these same steps whenever you want to add more visuals to any page in your site. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you add images confidently in Godaddy.